If you're facing a problem with the new iPhone 13 Pro where it has some static noise in the background when you record with front camera, then stay tuned. Hi, my name is Zarin and I'm a software developer, and today I'm here to help you fix the static noise in the videos that are recorded with front camera on the new iPhone 13 Pro. So a few days back I was trying to record a guitar cover on the new iPhone 13 Pro with front camera, and I noticed that there was some static noise in the background. And initially I thought that it's maybe fan or AC, but later I figured out that it's not. And so here's an example. तुम अगर मनाओगे तो मान जाऊंगा. So here you can see that there is some constant noise, right? So now in order to fix that, we will disable the stereo sound option in the camera settings. Now let's record another video with stereo sound disabled. कभी मुझे देर जो हो जाए, वक्त को थोड़ा बचा लेना, फिर से मिलूंगा मैं तुमको वही, जो ना मिलूं तो सजा देना. Simple, isn't it? Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Adios.